back to the channel Fast and Easy Indian Cooking. Today we are making a chicken pita roll. So let's start. This is chicken breast and I cut into small pieces and wash it, and I took 2 tablespoons of oil, and I'm going to go ahead and put the chicken in it. And first I'm going to cook this chicken. It's cooking right now, and I'm going to add some spices after that. As you all see, the chicken is halfway done. Now I'm going to add some spices. In the spices, I'm going to need ginger and garlic paste, lemon, rice vinegar, red pepper or paprika, chili, turmeric, and then this is like garam masala and jeera powder, salt and black pepper. That's all we're going to use. So I'm going to start with 1 teaspoon ginger and garlic paste. Now I'm going to put some paprika. That's going to be also 1 teaspoon. I'm going to take some red pepper, 1 teaspoon. Turmeric is very good for your health. I'm taking almost 1. Then I'm going to put some garam masala. I'm going to put some jeera powder. I'm going to use salt. It's a pink salt. And I'm going to put some black pepper for taste. It's almost 1 teaspoon. Go ahead and mix everything and let it cook for a few minutes, and then in the end I'm going to add like 1 teaspoon rice vinegar. Tastes really good. And I'm going to go ahead and squish half lemon. It's very big lemon. That's it, and let it cook, and then I'm going to show you after that. We're going to see after all the water is going to be out. It's going to be dry, and it's going to show that the chicken is ready. We'll come back. Okay, then I'm going to put 1 cup yogurt, and I'm going to put some pepper, green pepper. It's optional. If you want, you can put it. I like spicy, so I'm going to put some, and then some cilantro. And that's it. I'm going to mix it again and let it cook till the yogurt get dry, and then we'll come back. Back in like 5 more minutes. Chicken is almost cooked, so we're going to be 5 more minutes. It'll be ready. Alright, so chicken is cooked. It's as you see, it's like I can see it's cooked. I'm going to put the temperature low. In the meantime, I'm going to use this pita, and I'm going to go ahead and spray it and warm it up. I use extra olive oil, but just the spray. But if you don't want to use it, it's fine. But I like my pita a little bit crispy, so I use this. And I'm going to show you how to assemble the roll. Okay, for the sauce, for the pita sauce, I'm going to use yogurt, half or one. I'm going to use only half avocado. You can use one also. I'm going to use cilantro, onion, some cucumber, and one green chili, and some lemon juice, any kind of salt and black pepper. So I'm going to go ahead and put yogurt. Then I'm going to put some lemon juice. I'm going to add all of this jalapeno. I'm going to go ahead and add cucumber, onion, cilantro, and then I'm going to go ahead and put half avocado, and I'm going to grind it, and then we're going to assemble the whole thing. It's kind of ripe, but it's good. All right, I'm going to go ahead and grind it and come back to you. So the chicken is ready. I'm going to turn off my stove, and I'm going to take my chicken out. It's really good, and it's cooked already, as we all can see. It's all cooked. Now I'm going to come here, and my pita is here. I want 3 pita. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the chicken on it. I'm going to make 3 pitas, and the leftover chicken I'm going to save it in the freezer for later use. I'm going to put chicken, and then I'm going to put some lettuce, and I'm going to put some onion and a couple of tomatoes. My husband don't like tomatoes, so I'm going to skip this tomato. And then I'm going to put some sauce on the top. It's very creamy and nice sauce. That's it. And then I'm going to take the paper, and I'm going to put this right like this. It's right here. Make 2 more like this. That's it. Lunch is ready. Here we go. Please use this recipe. This is very yummy, very mouth-watering recipe. You're definitely going to love it. And comments me if you like it, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. Enjoy. Bye bye.